Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. And I hope everybody is having a great day. And most of all, I hope you're staying safe in this crazy time that we're living in. Guys, you guessed it. Yep, I have done another collaboration. I'm participating this time in the Easter Tablescape 20 collaboration. And the hashtag for this one is the Bunny Trail Tablescape 20. Now, the host for this collaboration is Kale of If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Again, I love the title for her that she chose for her channel. Again, If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. The co-host, there are two of them, Miss Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and also Wendy of Wendy Always Busy. Now, I don't know if you know these three ladies or if you subscribe to their channels, but if you don't, please go over, show them some love, subscribe to their channels, make sure you click those notification bells because I'm telling you, they all three have great content and you will not be disappointed. Also, if you don't subscribe to this channel, I hope that you're going to do that today and make sure you click that notifications bell too. And hey, if you like this video, please comment, like, share, all of that. Now, guys, what we were to do for this one, number one, pastel colors. For our food or drink, it was to be colored eggs, and they could be real or fake or artificial eggs, and also an Easter basket was to be displayed. So if you take a look at my tablescape, what I did is use 4 miniature Easter baskets, and there's eggs in each one. Also, I have my little bunnies there, my little pastel colored Easter bunnies and a couple butterflies. And the centerpiece, guys, is a DIY floral arrangement. And I have that on top of a Waterford crystal vase that I've had for a long time. So anyway, a lot of this stuff I already had. I just kind of shopped my home because, hey, it's not like we can do any shopping right now anyway. But again, guys, I hope you like what I did. And again, if you're not a member of the channel, hope you will subscribe to, hit the subscription button today and the notifications button. And again, make sure you go and visit the other ladies, the host and the co-host. Again, the host is Kale of If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And the co-host, Me, Myself, and DIYing It, that's Miss Tammy. And then Wendy, Always Busy. And of course, her name is Wendy. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I will see you in the next video.